Okay, Miss Lilac. So, hello po. Day 3, first exercises. First set of exercise tayo. Gagamit tayo ng bar. So, light muna ilalagay natin sa bar natin. Underhand grip row. Tapos, switch tayo sa deadlift. 10 repetitions each. And then, 4 to 5 sets. So, pakita natin. Underhand grip. So, under, open palms. Tapos, distance ng bar natin is hip width lang. Mas malayo sa width ng, sa hips na konti. Pag kinuha natin, yan. Tapos, deadlift position, tabletop yung likod. Pakita ko. Shoulders back. Ears away from your ear, shoulders away from your ears. And then, pull. Inhale, exhale. So, yung target ng bar natin, nasa taas ng tuhod, papunta sa navel. Inhale, exhale. Tapos, keep natin yung elbows aligned. Yung elbows papunta sa likod. Alright? Pointing sa likod. Pag grow, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold natin yung position na yan for 10 repetitions ng underhand grip row natin. So, working your back muscles, yung lower na dito. Tapos, hamstrings, glutes, and then the biceps. Again, pakita natin. So, exhale. Pull, knee, navel. So, 10 repetitions. Then, switch tayo sa deadlift. Ngayon naman, a bit wider. So, from this, overhand grip na siya. Kanina po, underhand. Ngayon, overhand. Ngayon, a bit wider. From here, mga thumbs. Isang thumb pa. Open yung thumb. Tapos, distance na konti, mga 1 inch. Ayun yung grip natin. And then, bend knees. Alright, so lift. Now, shoulders back. Slide bend. Stiff leg pa. Stiff leg. Pinakamababa na kaya. And then, lift. Shoulders back. Inhale, slow, slow, slow. Quick. Again. Then lift. Slow, slow, slow. Up. Alright. So dito, working your hamstrings, glutes. Tapos, imagine naman natin dito, kung sa push-ups or sa pushing motion na pinaglalapit natin yung floor, dito naman po, kunyari, binabali natin yung bar para mas ma-activate yung back muscles natin. Alright? Para mas engage yung buong posterior chain. Yan. So, kunyari po, yan, parang binabali natin siyang ganun. Parang yung elbow natin tucked in. And then, slow. Yan. Kunyari, binabaling ganyan. So, pag imagine na natin na binabali siya, pino-fold natin. Tapos, bend, slow, slow. Elbows nasa likod. Inhale, lift. Alright? So, 10 repetitions. 1 minute rest in between sets. 4 to 5 sets. Ay, yung bali pa naman pa ganun. Parang pa letter U siyang gaganan. Alright? So, yun. Miss Lalak again. 4 to 5 sets po tayo.